how we can design a logo in Canva that identifies your brand. So let's create a logo. In this also we can customize each and every part of the logo. In logo we have seen small things. I will show you small effects. In thumbnail also you can add these effects. So in each of the examples that we are taking in our course, as we did in the last session, we will design one logo from scratch. If you want to flip this, you can put it down like this. Now it's up to you what you want to add in this thing. Whatever thing you are having in your mind based on your creativity, you can add it. We'll talk about logo designing.
Are you someone who is good at drawing and designing? Have you ever dreamt of designing a professional logo that stands out? Whether you are a student looking to earn extra income, a working professional launching your own startup, or if you're just someone who's curious and eager to learn new skills, this is a video for you. Welcome to Freedom English YouTube channel, where we empower you to learn, grow and earn. My name is Anupam Anand, and before going ahead, please make sure to like the video, subscribe if you haven't yet, and let's start with the video. Today we'll be talking about how you can create beautiful logos professionally with our expert. Today we have Bhavin Majitia, an expert mentor and seasoned corporate trainer with over 15 years of experience, and he'll be guiding us through the exciting world of logo designing using Canva. Bhavin will break down the secrets of designing impactful professional logos that not only look great but also tell a story. And the best part, you don't need to be a designer or have any technical experience to start. So get ready to unlock your potential and start designing logos that can help you stand out in today's competitive world. By the end of this video, you will be equipped to create logos for your own business, your side hustle, or even as a service to earn money on the side. So grab your creative hats and get ready to dive into the world of creative logo designing. That will surely help you to add on a skill which will help you in this competitive world or market. And by the end of this video, you'll be equipped to create logos for your business, your side hustle, or even if you want to provide services as a logo designer to anyone to make money. So let's dive in quickly and get started.
Friends, in this module, we'll talk about logo designing. Logo is a symbol or a design that identifies your brand, company, individual, or business. So here we will talk how we can design a logo in Canva. Let's go to our screen. So click on this create new design. Now here you have options. You can either write a logo, so it will show you what logo you will design. So there are different types of logo available here, right? So you can see many things. You can see many logos are there. Let's start with our basic, that is simple logo for a business. So when you open it, the size would be defined, predefined, blank template would be coming, right? There would be nothing added here. Now let's add something. So let's create a logo. Now see here, it will give you option. What you want, a logo. I want a logo. But what type of logo you want? Business name, circle logo, brand logo, company logo, YouTube channel logo, anything. So here, as I told you, comes with lot of options. Let's create a fashion logo. So you can see here we are having many options for fashion. If you want to add a fashion logo, in this also we can customize each and every part of the logo. So yes, let's take a simple one which we can customize, and I can show you where we can add more components in that. Let's take this simple. So there are white or brown, both options are available. You can add two types of, but let me be more creative. This one, let's see, different colors are there. You want to use any color, you can use it. Inside that, if you scroll down, you will get more options. Let's click on this. This is our studio. This is our logo, right? So here they are designing it, they are putting everything, and they are giving it to us. Let's do one more thing. As we did in the last session, we will design one logo from scratch, right? Nothing we have. We have one logo with this thing. We have nothing here. Let's add something in this. So let's go to our element tab. Let's search clothing logo, clothes logo. Chali. So here you will get some graphic icons here. You can see, click on graphics. So you will get different graphics icon. Let's use this one. So now see, this is coming like this. Looks good. Keep it here in the center. Here on the bottom, let's add some text. We can change, as I told you, we can change the color. Click on this. We can use this color. Now see, it is matching. Light and dark matching is there. Right? It's a hanger which we use for our clothes. There are many other options. Magic recommendations also there. You can use any one of them which you want. Right? Click on that, use it. Let's come down and add some text in this. Let's add a text. Add a heading. Master clothing. Okay. Put it in the center. Let's change the color of this thing. You can also rotate this. If you don't like this, you can keep it like this. Like this. On the top, there is an option for flip also. If you think you want to flip this, you can put it down like this. So something new, something different. Right? That depends on your creativity, what you want to do. You can add some effects on this. Click on effects. You can add like this. So now see, there would be a background effect which would be added. Click on effects. You can go with a neon effects also. So now see, the neon effects, they will make your text glowing. So now it looks good, better than what we had. We can also put this back and front as per convenience. Click on this logo, right click, layer it, send to bring to front. Now it will be front. Text, if you want to make it backward, front, bring to front. Now it will be in front. Click on the image. We can decrease the transparency. So now see, the logo is matching with what we have. Let's go in, put it in the center now. Put it here. This also in the center. Right? Some creativity which we did. Now it's up to you what you want to add in this thing. You can now add also some elements if you want to add this thing. So let's add this thing also. Right? This is a clothing image. So we are combining both these things now. So we'll come here. We'll decrease the transparency of this also. Right? We'll change this. Let's make it up and down. Let's move here. So here 3 layers are there now. Now we want to work with the text. So you need to click outside and then you can change whatever layer you want. Okay. If you want to work with that hanger layer, you need to move like this. Let's make this transparency a bit less now again. Move it here. Again in the center. Click on this. Move it here. We want it in a perfect center. Now see, Canva provides you with lines, dotted lines. It will let you know that my text is in center and proper. Let's change the font now. So if you want to add some new font, let's add something like this. Oh, this looks good. So this is something creativity which we did. We can increase the font. Let's make the font more large. So you have, here it comes. See? Something new, something creative logo.
Sorry for the interruption, but yeah, we tried to summarize a lot of information in just 10 minutes of a video. But yeah, if you want to learn a lot more about Canva, we have a dedicated video on the Freedom app. Please make sure to download the Freedom app. There we have a dedicated course on Canva about logo designing. You can learn everything in detail. Make sure to download it now. Now let's get back to the video.
Whatever thing you are having in your mind based on your creativity, you can add it based on your mood sometime. Because if your mood is good, you will add good logos. If your mood is offset, you will add the logo as per that. Let's update this logo which we are having. So here again, click on this, click on the text. So say master clothing. Now it is not coming here. So we need to select the text and we need to decrease the size. So it comes properly here. Here the spacing is less. So we'll move it up. There is an option spacing. You can increase or decrease the line spacing. You can see the spacing are increasing now. Let's move this. Now this is in left side. Let's make it center. So here we have alignment also. Now we will change the position of this thing. Right, move it here. Looks good. You can give your name here. So let me give Bhavan artist only. This looks good. Here the image It's already good, but if you want to add some colors, if you want to change something, you can do it. See, the matte color is changing now. This is another pipe, single pipe which is added. That also you can add. You can add elements in this also, pipes element. Click on this, change the color for that, line color, whatever you want. The green would be same. So either we can make it black, brown, whatever color we like. But I think that first one, plain color was good. So now the logo is designed. This is done using the template which is provided by Canva, and this is done by me. It shows more creativity. Why? Because I have got the things from different, we can say, search elements. I have got the different elements. I put down as per my thinking, I did it. Okay. Downloading the logo, same thing. Click on share, download, the logo would be downloaded. You can download your logo, use it as wherever you want. Clear? So this is all about logo. In logo, we have seen small things. So in each of the examples that we are taking in our course, I will show you small effects. That effects you can use throughout your modules actually. In thumbnail also you can add this effects. In logo you can add. In the next we are talking about YouTube Reels. There also you can add this effects. Next we'll be talking about presentations. There also you can add the effects. But it's up to you. How you go in this elements, you search all the thing and put it there. Okay, so this is about logo. I will see you in the next module.
Alright, I hope this video was really helpful for you. And yes, please make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And please do not forget to drop your lovely comments. Thank you and see you in the next one.